We're seeing a number of trends taking place right now, which is exciting in the industry. One big one is the move to the cloud. And what that really means is companies that are taking their products, their solutions, their services, and moving them off premises and into through the internet, where anybody can access them. It's very exciting, and there's a lot of activities that take place to move that in that direction. You're seeing large data centers, virtual data centers being created, and a lot of interaction happening in the market. I think that trend's going to continue. We're going to see more of that. And there's some risks to deal with in that area, but that's clearly a trend that's here to stay. Social media would be a second trend we're seeing a lot of. It's obviously all over the marketplace right now with a lot of the exciting IPO activity that's going on. Companies need to figure out how they're going to harness that technology, use it for their benefit, and really move their customer relationship forward with that. There certainly are some gaps and some risks that we see in the industry right now. I'd tell you one is with the move toward open everything, that creates a tremendous opportunity for bad things to happen. As a company opens up more, exposes its intellectual property, operates more in the cloud and through the internet, the opportunity exists for bad actors to come in and basically harm a company through theft of its intellectual property, use of its customer or employee data. We've seen breaches, and those issues can have a major impact on the reputation of a company. So I think that's a critical component that needs to be looked at. Another key risk or gap that's out there is in the supply chain. For technology companies, a lot of the supply chain activities happen outside the border of the US. And when that happens, you have a lot of things that can go wrong, where maybe a country has a more lax set of rules and regulations than we do here in the US. And so you're hearing a lot of that in the marketplace now, where the supply chain quality of the partnerships can compromise a company's reputation. So understanding a company's supply chain, understanding the full breadth of that supply chain, and ensuring that you've partnered up with the right players in the market is a critical factor for a company to consider.